My name is Miguel Vargas. I'm SAP Practice Manager at Neteris Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through our partner solution for SAP Business ByDesign exchange rates. As you may know, ByDesign provides a standard table where you can manually maintain conversion rates. For enterprises having a large volume of transactions in foreign currency, this manual maintenance task can be very annoying and therefore interesting to automate. But for companies working with multiple accounting systems with different currencies, such as a leading ledger for the local GAAP in euros and a second ledger for group reporting in US dollars, for example the IFRS, then this becomes a vital issue, because every single journal entry is posted twice in these two sets of books and currencies. If you don't maintain conversion rates on a daily basis, your balances in the group ledger and second currency end up wrong. Therefore, to eliminate these errors, we have developed an add-on solution that automatically synchronizes exchange rates with the European Central Bank. Let me show you how it works. After deploying our partner solution to the customer tenant, a new work center called Exchange Rates shows up on the left navigation menu. When you click on it, you find two views: currency pairs and exchange rate jobs. We use this first screen to set up new currency pairs. It's a one-time activity. You only come here when you need to create a new conversion rate for the first time. It's very user-friendly. You have buttons to create, edit, and delete records in this table. You can also get conversion rates live from the European Central Bank on demand by clicking on the Get Conversions rate. Like for example, I mark this GBP Czech Crown pair and click on Get Conversions. The add-on automatically updates the rate. Now, instead of fetching exchange rates one by one on demand, most customers aim at automating this activity. And for that, we use the second screen, Exchange Rate Jobs. Here, we can schedule recurring jobs for the currency pairs created in the previous screen. Like for example, we can schedule a Euro-USD job to be run every day of the week at, for example, 4:30 p.m., right after the European Central Bank publishes the exchange rates. The outcome of this mass data run is a new entry in the BYD standard exchange rate table under General Ledger, Common Tasks. So this is it. I hope you liked it. Do not hesitate to contact us in case you need further information. Thank you very much.